Welcome back, cigar aficionados! Today, we're embarking on a journey into the realm of luxury as we explore the world's most expensive cigar. Get ready to indulge your senses and join us as we uncover the secrets behind this opulent creation. You may have heard whispers of a cigar so rare, so exquisite, that it commands a price tag beyond imagination. Well, today we're lifting the veil on this exclusive gem, the Gurkha Royal Courtesan. Crafted by Gurkha Cigars, renowned for their commitment to luxury and craftsmanship, the Royal Courtesan is truly a work of art. Each cigar is meticulously handcrafted by master artisans, using only the finest, most carefully selected tobacco leaves. But what sets the Royal Courtesan apart from its peers is its unparalleled extravagance. Encased in a stunning box adorned with gold leaf and diamonds, this cigar is a symbol of wealth and prestige. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the price tag. Brace yourselves because the Gurkha Royal Courtesan commands a staggering $1 million per cigar. Yes, you heard that correctly, $1 million for a single cigar. But what makes it worth such a princely sum? As we take the first draw, we're greeted by a symphony of flavors. Hints of rare spices, rich cocoa, and velvety caramel dance across the palate, creating an experience unlike any other. It's not just a cigar, it's a journey into the lap of luxury. From its exquisite packaging to its unparalleled flavor profile, the Gurkha Royal Courtesan epitomizes indulgence in its purest form. So if you ever find yourself craving the ultimate cigar experience, remember the Royal Courtesan, the epitome of luxury in every puff.
Fearless.